Hello everyone and welcome back to the Defense Digest channel. The US on Wednesday announced that it was sending a Patriot missile defense battery to Ukraine, fulfilling a long-standing request from Kyiv to counter ongoing attacks by Russian aircraft and missiles. The Patriot is considered one of the most capable long-range air defense systems in service, and as vital to defending Ukraine's military and civilian infrastructure. A Patriot battery typically has 8 launchers, each capable of firing 4 to 16 interceptor missiles depending on the type being used. Each battery has support equipment, like a radar system and a power supply, and is staffed by about 90 troops, though only 3 are needed to operate it once deployed. Patriot interceptors have operational ranges from a few dozen miles to roughly 100 miles and can reach altitudes of about 80,000 feet. The interceptors can be used against a variety of targets, including cruise missiles, aircraft, and drones, but are not cheap, costing a few $1 million each. U.S. officials have raised concerns about using Patriot interceptors against the relatively cheap drones that have proliferated on battlefields around the world, including in Ukraine. High-value Russian aircraft and ballistic missiles would be appropriate targets for the Patriot missile. Shooting $4 million missiles at $250,000 Russian cruise missiles might be justified if those missiles would hit sensitive targets. But shooting a $4 million missile at a $50,000 Iranian Shahed-136 drone would probably not. The Patriot battery and accompanying munitions are part of a $1 billion package announced on Wednesday as a presidential drawdown, meaning its contents will be pulled directly from U.S. stocks. It is only the latest air defense weapon that the U.S. has committed to Ukraine. Washington has previously pledged to send National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems, Hawk Air Defense Systems, and Avenger Air Defense Systems. While the decision to send the Patriot to Ukraine is a milestone, it will be some time before it is in use in Ukraine. A senior U.S. defense official told reporters on Wednesday that there is not a precise date for when the battery would be transferred, and acknowledged that there would be a several-month training process. Training ranges from 13 weeks for the Patriot launch system operator to 53 weeks for the system repairer. Ukraine could speed that up by sending troops who are trained on its other air defense systems, but the U.S. officials said Wednesday that how many would be trained and where they would be trained was still undetermined. While the Patriot battery would cover a small area and is suited for a limited range of targets, it does have value as a signal of U.S. commitment to Ukraine. Speaking alongside President Joe Biden on Wednesday, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky welcomed the Patriot, calling it the strongest element of this package and something that will strengthen Ukrainian air defense significantly. This is a very important step to create secure airspace for Ukraine, and that's the only way we would be able to deprive the terrorist country of their terror attack to strike our energy sector, our people, and our infrastructure, Zelensky said, speaking through a translator. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.